Alright guys, so today is a good day, and because I am a Redot, I want to show you how I spend my crypto like fiat, all thanks to the RedotPay card. So with RedotPay, I can basically spend my crypto like fiat and pay for any transaction in my local currency directly with my crypto without having to convert to fiat first. So if you're in any country where Visa is accepted, you can basically pay for any transaction directly with your crypto without having to convert to fiat. So as you can see, I've performed a lot of transactions here with my RedotPay card directly with my crypto, and most of these transactions are basically local transactions, like me paying for DAZN TV subscription, paying for TikTok promotion, paying for an invoice for a virtual private server, and many more. Alright, so after performing all of these online transactions, I'm going to show you how to use RedotPay to get cash directly from a local point of sale terminal. So I'm going to be using this to withdraw some Naira directly with my crypto. So let's do that right now.
So as you can see, you walk up, you give them the card, you input your PIN, transaction becomes successful, and you get your cash.
So with the RedotPay card, you can basically connect it to your Google Pay and Apple Pay and just make payments anywhere in the world. So get your RedotPay card today by downloading the RedotPay app, and you can either get a physical card like this or a virtual card directly on the app, which is also going to help you to make all of these payments instantly and directly with your crypto.